Looking for the best messenger bags for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 messenger bags that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a messenger bags that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended messenger bags. Number 1 on the list is Gearonic Vintage Canvas Messenger Bag. The Gearonic Vintage Canvas Messenger Bag is durable, large, and extra comfortable, with plenty of storage space for a large laptop and all of your necessities. We also love the retro-style canvas design. This option is the perfect all-around bag for any occasion. If you're looking for a durable messenger bag that you can use for school, work, hiking or traveling, the Gearonic Vintage Canvas is an excellent choice. One of the best features of this bag is its design. Made from heavy-duty canvas and PU leather, the Gearonic can take a beating without long-lasting problems. Also, the rugged canvas material stands up to dirt surprisingly well, mainly because it was designed to look a little rugged. The flexible open interior makes it easy to store a wide variety of items from laptops to unconventional shaped cameras, making it easily the best messenger bag for men and our top pick. It's also extremely comfortable, even when fully loaded. The only aspect of this bag that isn't perfect is that it won't hold up in pouring rains. Though it's more than fine in small drizzling rain. That shortcoming is quickly made up for by its evergreen vintage design. We were also super impressed with the Gearonic's overall carrying capacity. While you can purchase the bag in either a 14-inch or 17-inch size, we specifically tested the larger version. This was more than enough space to fit a 15-inch MacBook Pro along with plenty of other items. Like all of your gadgets for men. Their canvas messenger bag features 4 external pockets. 1 internal pocket and a single, large interior compartment. We wish the interior compartment was divided a bit more to separate your laptop from other items, but we can't complain when you get so much space. Second on the list is Leaper Retro Sling Bag. The Leaper Retro Sling Bag is the only crossbody bag on our list, making it the most portable and compact option we reviewed. While small, it's still durable with tons of interior and exterior storage, making it an excellent option for couriers and students. Measuring in at just 10 inches wide and 13 inches tall, the Leaper Retro Sling Bag is the smallest bag we reviewed during our research and testing. And in spite of its smaller size, it still offers plenty of interior storage and tons of pockets inside and out. You'll get 2 zipper pockets and 1 open pockets on the front, as well as a large inner compartment and 3 smaller interior pockets. Unfortunately, the Leaper Sling Bag's laptop pocket isn't padded and can't comfortably contain a 13-inch laptop like the company claims, even without a laptop sleeve. We found it better suited for an 11-inch MacBook Air or tablets like the iPad Pro. We like the crossbody design the most here because it hugs your body closer than any other kind of bag and increases its overall durability because the snug strap prevents the bag from swinging around. The strap is also adjustable in size as well as orientation. You can easily swap the bottom part of the strap to the left or right side of the bag. It's also made from durable canvas material. After testing, this bag is best for people always on the go. Number 3 on the list is Timbuk2 Classic. Timbuk2 is a well-known brand in the bag industry, so you're getting a high-quality product with the Timbuk2 Classic Messenger Bag. With a simple design that offers tons of features, this bag is stylish and functional for everyone. The Timbuk2 Classic Messenger Bag is one of the most popular and sought-after messenger bags available today. One of its most standout features is its overall design and customizability. With over 22 different styles and 4 different sizes, you can get pretty much whatever you need with this bag. It's also one of the most comfortable bags on our list, with an adjustable strap that can be used crossbody or over a single shoulder, While the Classic may not feature any exterior pockets, it's all about what you can carry on the inside anyway. The Timbuk2 has a water bottle holder, organizer and plenty of spots for smaller items, all on the inside. One of the most impressive features, though, is the unique Napoleon pocket, which allows you to reach into the bag without opening the flap. This was our personal favorite feature. Unfortunately, the Timbuk2 doesn't feature much in the way of storing electronics, a small hiccup that's fairly easy to overlook due to its supreme quality and reliability. So some may want to choose the best bags for electronics. Number 4 on the list is Newhey Messenger Bag. The Newhey Messenger Bag is completely waterproof and one of the more durable options we tested because of its leather and waxed canvas design. This bag is the best choice for anyone who needs protection from the elements. If you're looking for weather and water resistance, you can't do better than the Newhey Messenger Bag. This waterproofing comes from the waxed canvas and leather exterior material, which is also incredibly durable and long-lasting. While you obviously can't fully submerge the bag in water, we were really pleased with how well it kept spills and splashes off your belongings. This bag was the best at keeping our belongings dry and protected. Another great feature of the Newhey is its removable shoulder strap. This is a feature you see in about half of the messenger bags on the market today, but it's one that's really convenient. If the shoulder strap is getting in the way, you can simply remove it and use the included carrying handles. You might find yourself using this function more than you think because sometimes the Newhey can struggle with weight distribution from the strap. The interior of the bag is also super roomy with a large interior compartment and a padded laptop sleeve. Number 5 on the list is Egoelife LB-BBPHF 18 Messenger Bag. The Egoelife LB-BBPHF 18 is a high-quality satchel messenger bag and it's one of the most affordable on our list, making it a great choice for anyone who needs something small and simple at an affordable price. Egoelife may not be the most recognizable brand name in the messenger bag industry, but the LB-BBPHF 18 is definitely a product to be watched. It's well made and looks great with its simple design. This isn't the best messenger bag for large items, but there's plenty of space inside for a smaller tablet and other items. It also includes 2 interior pockets for pens, sunglasses, or your phone. We loved the interior soft cotton lining and felt like it was great at keeping our belongings protected, and while we loved the simple design of the Egoelife, we have to admit that it's not the best for laptops due to lack of padding and the extra protection we usually see in laptop messenger bags. However, if you're not too concerned with large items in your bag, you can't go wrong with the Egoelife, especially with how versatile and durable it is. Just now is a list of 5 best messenger bags that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.